one time we can stop singing as if they allow us a break. Sweetie, I got a break too.
Finally, I can stop singing. I've been singing for hours.
I know, the singing breaks are never guaranteed, and how long they are will vary. Let's go drink water and eat food before the timer runs out. How are you, Brianna?
I'm good, Timmy. How are you?
I'm not good, I haven't got a break in the whole day, and I'm about to stop singing because I'm so thirsty.